Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and I'll be showing you how to make a Southern classic in the Instant Pot, shrimp and grits. When I first got my Instant Pot, I developed this technique of cooking the shrimp and grits together to make a one-pot meal. The shrimp and grits cook together but separately in the Instant Pot. If it sounds confusing, you'll see what I mean in just a bit. I'll go over the ingredients for the shrimp and grits and then I'll tell you how to make the recipe. Here are the ingredients in no particular order. To see the ingredients in the order they're used, I'll put a link to the recipe in the notes. You'll need 3 strips of diced bacon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of dry white wine, 1/4 cup of green onions sliced thin. I use the green part for garnishing. 1/2 cup of chopped bell peppers. You can use red or green or both. 1/3 cup of chopped onion. You can include the white part of the green onion as well. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. You can add more to taste. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now if you add more Old Bay seasoning, you may want to reduce the quantity of salt. 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. I like to keep a frozen bag in my freezer and I use it for recipes like this one and other Instant Pot shrimp recipes. 1½ cups of diced tomatoes. You can use canned or fresh. 1/4 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce or your choice of hot sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And finally, this ingredient is not in the photograph, 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And here are the ingredients for the grits. 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of stone ground grits, not instant, pepper and salt to taste. To start with, you're going to take your shrimp and put it in a bowl and add the Old Bay seasoning and stir the spices into the shrimp. And you're going to set the shrimp aside. Heat the Instant Pot and add the bacon and saute the bacon until it's crisp. Once it's cooked, you want to remove the bacon and set it aside. And you can leave the grease from the bacon in the Instant Pot. We're going to use that to fry the onions, bell peppers. Stir until the onions are soft. Then add the garlic and saute the garlic until it's fragrant. Add some water to deglaze. Make sure nothing's stuck on the bottom of the Instant Pot. At this point, you can turn off the Instant Pot. Add the tomatoes, the pepper, the salt, and the lemon juice, broth, and hot sauce. Stir everything together. Place a steam rack or trivet in the Instant Pot. Add the grits to an oven-proof glass or stainless steel bowl that'll fit in the Instant Pot. Now add in the milk, salt, water, pepper. Stir the ingredients together. And place the bowl on the steam rack. Close the lid and pressure cook for 10 minutes. You're going to do a natural pressure release, which means you're going to let the float valve come down on its own. Open the lid, remove the bowl from the rack and remove the rack from the Instant Pot. Don't use your hands like I'm doing, use gloves. Add the shrimp into the tomato mixture. And you want to work quickly because you don't want a lot of heat to escape. Stir the shrimp and you want to immediately close the lid and let the shrimp steam in the residual heat. If you find that you're not able to close the lid, put the Instant Pot into venting position, close the lid, and put it back into sealing position. While the shrimp is cooking, add butter to the grits and stir the grits to remove any lumps. You can add cheese to the grits. A lot of my readers enjoy adding either cheddar cheese or Parmesan cheese. You could add goat cheese, whatever kind you like. You could also add some extra cream. After 10 minutes, open the lid, and the shrimp should be perfectly cooked. Add the cream and stir up the shrimp. And now the shrimp is ready to be served over the grits. This is such a hearty meal. I like to garnish it with the bacon and green onions. We love this recipe and I hope you get to try it out too. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.